Unique combination of vintage Florida cracker-style home rebuilt in 2016 under historic preservation guidance. The original 1927 bungalow is preserved in the gracious screened front porch, living and sitting rooms with salvaged heart pine flooring. The rebuild added energy-efficient windows, metal roof, icynene insulation, a modern kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances and large center cooking and breakfast island. Primary suite and 2 additional baths are downstairs, with owner suite featuring a walk-in shower, dual sinks, walk-in shower and walk-in closet. The second first-floor bath is a Jack and Jill. Second story features a bedroom and bath plus large bonus space plentiful room for a second primary suite. The detached garage is currently used for storage but could be transformed into a rental or mother-in-law suite. Wood decks, need some work, and concrete patio in fenced rear yard. Located in the Duck Pond Historic District. A house that will surprise.